Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Have to washroom, ma'am.
Yes, we are done.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ryan. All of you, please turn on your video. Uttara, how are you, everyone?
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine, dear. Okay, so now it's our assembly time, right? I just want everybody to know that you are aware of the photography competition, right? Why I did not get any submissions? I asked you to give some videos and photos and all, right?
Ma'am, yesterday my mom got to take my t-shirt, says that.
Then
Then tomorrow mom will keep.
tomorrow your mom will come. Okay, please, everyone, please send it within 1 or 2 days, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can be of your idea. Make it some creative.
Yesterday night I was having a fever. Saturday evening.
You were having what?
Fever.
Oh, is it? Are you fine now?
Yeah. When I sleep in my sofa, now onwards I have neck pain also in this side.
Then why are you sleeping in your sofa? You can go for bed, right?
Like I want to practice sleeping alone. That time, my mom will be sleeping in the bed. On the nearby that there will be sofa. When I sleep, I accidentally in the night I'll be getting like this is my sofa, and I'll be sleeping like this.
Don't do
That's
that,
why.
okay?
Sometimes I accidentally go like that. When I sleep like this, it will be like.
Okay, yes. You're done? You came back. Azal is missing here, right? How are you ready for the class today?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, yesterday Yardad is absent, right?
Yeah. Okay. I
We
think
already
somebody's on the
removed.
door, so Satsa will be taking over. Let us conclude the assembly right now, okay? Satsa, you there, right?
Yeah.
Hello, Satsa.
1 second, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Somebody's on the door, so I need to leave right now. Okay, have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.